And fresh controversy, Assam CM speaks on Rahul's Nyaya Yatra route. He's in fact questioned Rahul Gandhi's temple visit in Assam, and he says Rahul's Yatra is on a sensitive route on 22nd of January. Rahul Gandhi hits back, says that the Assam CM is scared. Listen in to what the leaders had to say.
क्योंकि वो डरे हुए हैं, चीफ मिनिस्टर डरे हुए हैं, भ्रष्ट हैं, घबराए हुए हैं.
We will be grateful to Rahul Gandhi. You go, evening you go, because you know the Nelly massacre, you know that all these conflicting situations, there is a district which is a population of 60% Muslim population, 40% Hindu population, with a very, very difficult background. Why you have chosen that particular district on 22nd? Do you want to put us in bad light, Kalik? Why Morigaon and Jagirur? Why Nelly? Presence of Rahul Gandhi with his kind of supporter tomorrow in Nelly, in Jagirur, in Morigaon is not bad.